Jackson, say hi, Grandma. Hi. Are you a big boy? Yes, you are. It's June 16th. You're 4 months and 1 day old. Look at you. Are you Grandma's boy? Are you Grandma's boy? Grandma loves you. Yes, she does. You're the cutest boy ever. Jackson. Jackson. Visiting Jackson. Hi, baby. You gonna say hi? Can you say hi to Grandma? Yeah? Can you talk to me? Yeah. You can talk to Grandma? What do you say to Grandma? Are you such a big boy? Too cute.